IGTV, it's this new vertical sharing video platform run by Instagram, owned by Facebook, that could possibly challenge YouTube. But how do you use IGTV? That's what we talk about today as I step you through a step-by-step tutorial. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe and start creating. Now, IGTV is this weird thing that's popped up all over the place, and you'll see many educators like me scrambling to make YouTube videos explaining what it is and how you should use it. Now, why not even better to step you through exactly how you can use it? But before I do that, I want to know, are you already using IGTV? What's your feelings on IGTV? Is this the next Vine? Will it do really, really well and maybe die later? Or do you think this could possibly be the gap in the market that everyone's been looking for? After all, for years, people have been recording in portrait mode and annoying the living crap out of YouTube educators like myself because of the weird aspect ratio, and now they've got a whole platform to do it in where it's exactly what they're looking for. Or is this just another flash in the pan? What's your thoughts? Please leave a comment down below. Okay, to get you started on IGTV, you will need to download the IGTV app. This is available in any form of app store, your Android store, your iOS, and no doubt in other places as well. When you launch the app, you will see that any Instagram account that has an IGTV channel will start to be recommended. You'll see the following tab, the recommended, maybe the popular or trending. And you'll notice that all of these are recorded in portrait mode, or 9:16. This is basically everything that normal videos were, but flipped on its side. To get you started, you will need to click on your own gear and make sure that it's linked to an Instagram account, but you can do that if your own whim. And once you've got your channel, you're ready to start getting ready to upload. Now, because IGTV doesn't have an inbuilt recording system, you will need to record the video outside the app. So whether it's your own phone, you hit your own camera and you record it, or you're using a desktop and you're then sending the file to yourself. But remember, it needs to be in 9:16, so taller than it is wide. And then you click on the little plus button. It will show you all of the videos that are in your phone, and then you choose the one that you wish to upload. Now, if you're a YouTuber, this may look familiar. It is basically your chance to pick your title, your descriptions, and if you wish to share it out to Facebook. Your title and descriptions also are a good way to start optimizing your video, so make sure that you've got a decent keyword in the title and the description. Right now, there's no way to search for the IGTV videos as of July 2018, but I'm sure they'll include that at a later point. So why not get a head start on doing the SEO now? So therefore, you know, when they start searching, you're in good positions for rankings. You can also put links in your descriptions. So this is a chance that if you want to bring over any default links or default uploads kind of settings that you have for YouTube, you can copy and paste them in here. Link off to your Facebook, your Teespring, that kind of thing. And then you can edit your cover. Now, your cover is the equivalent of a YouTube thumbnail, but for Instagram. You need to make sure that when you're focusing on the thumbnail for the IGTV, that you remember that it will cut off a little bit at the top, right, for the title, and it will cut off a little bit at the bottom for the player. So make sure that the main image is in the middle, so therefore kind of think there. Now, this cover image or thumbnail can be selected from your phone, just like a normal photo, just like you would for a PC and a YouTube video, or a frame within the video that you are uploading, so you can scroll through them and pick what frame you want to best represent that video. And then you are done, and it's there. Now, the advantage of using IGTV is that you will also get your own analytics for each video. So you can see the demographics, you can see when they're best willing to upload. You can interact just like anybody else. You can heart and you can comment and you can reply, and that will build up engagement. But you are now ready to go. I will be putting out more IGTV tutorials on this channel going forward. It is a new platform, so please bear with me. But if you want to see those, remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification icon, just so you don't miss the next IGTV tips, as well as my YouTube tutorials. I will have an IGTV playlist up here if you want more tips. But that is my step-by-step tutorial walkthrough for IGTV and how to use it. For more tricks and tips, not only for YouTube but IGTV, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification icon for regular videos. Go out there, start creating.